right. Welcome back to another edition of our Behavior Talks. All right. So we're going to continue with some of the feedback that we've given previously. And so this is the same child that was having some difficulty with thunder and thunderstorms in general. So right now they are having him listen to clips of real thunderstorms in the dark, in the closet. And he's able to endure it, but he shuts his eyes and he talks to himself a lot. And the mom's question is, should I prompt him to stay quietly and listen carefully during this desensitization process?
왜? 핸드폰의 소리도 들은다. 응. 웃어. 오, 잘 참았어. 잘 참았어. 엄마 또 들 거.
All right. I think he does a great job, considering where he started with how afraid he was. He's doing fantastic. Okay. Now, because he's still having some of the fear responses to it, I would do a couple things here. I think it's okay to stay at this level and continue to work on it in the dark with this volume because he can tolerate it and handle it. Then what you want to start to see is, it gets easier and easier for him to handle at this level. So don't change anything else. Don't increase the time. Don't even increase the volume, continue to rotate different clips in, but stay about the same amount of time in there until you can start to see it's getting easier and easier. And how you know is he won't be shutting his eyes and he won't be talking as much. So it's just going to be repeated practice of this that's going to get him more and more comfortable.